Good morning. Morning coffee. Hope everybody's doing good. I'm doing fantastic. Last night I ran across something really big, and it drastically argues with everything that I've been discussing. But it argues against lambda. It argues against the powers that be, the powers that decide whether or not you have a school, whether or not you get credited for grants and jobs and all that other stuff. And it just kind of, proves my whole point. But I'm still going because, I still got to finish up on all the math for the galactic rotation and all that. And I want to get it down in a simulator. That's the tough part, because I don't know anything about programming. But I ran across Planck's constants last night and where he got them. It is Maxwell and Bohr, and the understanding on how it all works, which is what I've been talking about. So if you understand how it works and you run it across astrophysics, because they don't have room for probabilities, right? And they can actually see what they're studying. And everything scales to size. Everything scales to size. It's the same laws repeated over and over and over again, and it simply scales to size. So when you study astrophysics, and you break it down as a gravitational system, and you break it down and break it down and break it down, you can break it down all the way down to the atomic scale. And when you do that, you find Planck's constants, and that's chapter 7. It's actually the end of chapter 6, but it leads into chapter 7 explaining it. And it's for those that follow quantum mechanics and quantum physics and all that, it should be an eye-opener. It really should. But please, if you read it and study it and still disagree, send me your disagreements. But don't just go, nah. That's not an argument. That's just, nah. I don't need that. That's a waste of my time. But if you have an actual argument, please. I would rather find out today that I'm stupid than tomorrow. Love you.